Want to experience macOS without buying an expensive Mac? Today, I'll show you how to do it for free. First, go to Google and download VMware Workstation from its official website. Now download Auto Unlock tool for macOS from the GitHub. Now download the macOS from Google. Old version of macOS recommended. First install VMware Workstation on your Windows computer. Now run the Auto Unlock tool as administrator and patch the VMware. Once done, open your VMware and click on Create a new virtual machine. Now, select the ISO file you have downloaded and press Next button. VMware will automatically detect the operating system in the ISO file and click Next. Now you type a name for your virtual machine and select a location for it. Now type the amount of memory you want allocate for your macOS virtual hard drive. Customize the RAM and no of processor according to your system resources. Now save and exit. Now, open macOS Virtual Machine configuration file in Notepad and add the give lines at the bottom. Save and close the configuration file now. Again come back to VMware and start the macOS virtual machine that you have created. If you have done everything correct till now, the Apple logo will start loading followed by the installation setup. Select the language of your choice and continue. Now select the disk utility option. Under the disk utility, select VMware Virtual Hard Drive and erase it. Now give a name for the drive, rest everything leave as default. Once it is done, close the disk utility and select Install macOS option. Now follow the on-screen instructions one by one. Type a username, password, and confirm password to create the user account. Once it is done, you have successfully installed the macOS inside the VMware in Windows.